Hello students. Today we will be making another exciting animation that explores the idea of layers and anchor points. Every sprite you add on the stage is added on a different layer. As you can see, the cat at the back is on the backmost layer, and each subsequent cat is one layer above the previous one. We can control layers of the sprite by using these blocks. Go to front or back layer block. Brings any sprite to the front or back of every other sprite. In this example, the letter N is in front of all the other sprites. When we execute go to back layer, it goes all the way back. Go forward or backward layers block gives more control to the user. You can specify exactly how many layers backwards or forwards to go, as you can see in this example. Now let's understand anchor points. An anchor point is like a sprite's spinning point. It's where the sprite turns around when it rotates. When the sprite spins, it spins around this point. You can set the anchor to make the sprite twirl from different spots. In this example, each sprite has different anchor points. You can see the difference in their rotation. You can set anchor points while drawing the sprite. The center of the drawing area is always the anchor point, as you can see in these sprites. Now let's use these concepts to build our next project, called Whirling Windmill. We will start by drawing the blades of the windmill sprite. Select the Draw Sprite option. Draw a thin rectangle and place it just above the anchor point. Select Reshape button from the drawing tools and drag the top right corner of the rectangle slightly downwards. We will duplicate this sprite 3 times and change the color of each blade. Draw the tower of the windmill as shown in the video. Let's make the instruction for the blades. Each blade will have a similar program. Add when flag clicked block. We want the blades to be in the center of the screen, so set X and Y coordinate as 0 in go to block. The blade should be in front of all the sprites. To achieve this add, go to front layer block. Each blade will be facing a different direction. Add point and direction block and change it to 0 degrees for the first blade. Make the same program for the rest of the blade sprites. Set the direction of the second blade to 90 degrees. Set the direction of the third blade to 180 degrees. Set the direction of the fourth blade to minus 90 degrees. You can click on the flag to test the progress. Drag the tower sprite to the appropriate position and let's make the program for it. Add when flag clicked block and go to block. The tower should be behind the blades. Add go to back layer block. Add a backdrop from the backdrop list. Everything looks great, so let's make the windmill rotate. We can do this by adding a forever loop and turn 1 degree block in each blade sprite. Now we will add and program some background sprites. Select Sun Sprite from the list. The program for this sprite will be similar to what we did in the day and night animation project. Let's also add a bird sprite and program to move around the stage. You can add more sprites to the project if you like. Let's run the project by clicking on the green flag. And there you have it, another awesome project completed. As an extension to the project, Try adding few more background sprites and make the blades change color while rotating. Good luck!